Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a scenario in Make.com. To get started, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can build and manage automations called scenarios that connect different apps and actions together. If you are new to Make, think of a scenario as a visual workflow that helps automate repetitive tasks between tools. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Create Scenario. This opens the scenario builder, where you will begin putting your automation together. Take a moment here to get familiar with the layout, because this is where you will add apps, define actions, and shape the overall flow of your scenario. Next, click on the sample app. This is the first app or module you will use in the scenario. Choosing an app is an important part of the setup because it determines what kind of action or trigger your scenario will begin with. Make displays app options visually, so it is usually easy to identify the one you need. After selecting the sample app, enter the sample needed data. This is where you provide the required details so the app can work correctly inside the scenario. Depending on the app, this may include selecting options, filling in fields, or confirming settings. As you complete this part, make sure the information is accurate, since these details affect how the scenario performs later. It is also a good idea to review each field carefully before moving on. When the required data has been entered, click Save. Saving confirms the configuration for that app and locks in the information you just added. This is an important step because it ensures your initial module is properly set up before you continue building the rest of the workflow. Next, click the plus sign again to add another app. This allows you to continue expanding the scenario by connecting the next step in your automation. And from there, follow the on-screen procedure. Make will guide you through the available setup options for the app you choose, and the process will typically be similar. Select the app, configure the necessary details, and confirm the setup. As you build, it helps to move slowly and verify each connection before adding the next one. That way, your scenario stays organized and easier to troubleshoot later. That's how to create a scenario in Make.com. Once everything is connected and configured, you will be ready to continue refining your automation directly inside the scenario builder.